சரணங்களே அபயங்களே கஜமுகன் விழியில் காருண்யமே கஜமுகன் விழியில் காருண்யமே அருளும் பாதம் சரணங்களே என்றும் அஞ்சு கரங்களே அபயங்களே ராஜாதி ராஜனவன் சிவன் மடியிலே ஈரேழு உலகங்கள் பிடியிலே ராஜாதி ராஜனவன் சிவன் மடியிலே ஈரேழு உலகங்கள் அவன் பிடியிலே ஆரம்பமே கணநாயகா ஆரம்பமே அறிவின் கணநாயகா அடுத்தென்ன முடிவென்ன அருள்வாயப்பா அடுத்தென்ன முடிவென்ன அருள்வாயப்பா அறிமுக குருதேவன் திருபுலம் கனிந்தானே அறிமுக குருதேவன் திருபுலம் கனிந்தானே அறியாத சிறியேனை தினம் பாட வைத்த அந்த அஞ்சு கரங்களே அபயங்களே அஞ்சு கரங்களே அபயங்களே கஜமுகன் விழியில் காருண்யமே கஜமுகன் விழியில் காருண்யமே அருளும் பாதம் சரணங்களே எல்லும் அஞ்சு கரங்களே அபயங்களே அஞ்சு கரங்களே அபயங்களே கணபதியே சரணம் எங்கள் குலகுருவே சரணம் கணபதியே சரணம் எங்கள் குலகுருவே சரணம் என்றும் கணபதியே சரணம் கேட்டதை எல்லாம் தந்தவன் நீயே கேட்டதை எல்லாம் தந்தவன் நீயே உந்தன் நிழலில் வாழ வைத்தாயே கணபதியே சரணம் எங்கள் குலகுருவே சரணம் ஜன்ம பாவங்கள் கடனானது அந்த கடன் தீர்க்கத்தான் இங்கு நான் பிறந்தது ஜன்ம பாவங்கள் கடனானது அந்த கடன் தீர்க்கத்தான் இங்கு நான் பிறந்தது மதம் சொல்லும் கதை கேட்டு பயந்தேனையா மதம் சொல்லும் கதை கேட்டு பயந்தேனையா மத யானை முகம் where, where I left last. Jaden group visa, no? Jaden to Jaden, Jaden. This function and I told to verify it or not. What doubt? Huh? You did or not? Go bro, you. Why not doing? I told no, it can check. This is GCD relatively prime only will come, but function won't come. Why not checking? Reason anything tell? Market. You did example and all. Some examples I told. Correctly getting or not? Phi of m coming, no? But functions are not relatively prime. This only I told. Coming, no? This and all just for knowledge. Yesterday you came. Why? Reason? Reason tell. I want to listen reason. Habit came for me. Reason listening. Huh? That is not a reason. You can learn any day in home. Why coming here then? Another day? Yesterday why not coming, that I am asking. Learned at home. Home is different, here is different. You know or don't know? Already last week absent only, no? 2 days, 1 day power not have, for the next day absent. Huh? You are also not coming, no? Then why taken yesterday break? Hmm? Tell reason. And another 1 day also, maybe 2 days maybe not coming. Huh? Last week and all. More things indirectly I'm telling you, but no any changes have. Hmm? How much soon you will listen, that much good for you. Otherwise, more problem going to come. Problems are waiting for you. If you will find solution before, means problems will escape from you. Otherwise, problems will catch. Ghost type. Ghost catched any day? Ghost saw in life? Huh? Ghost how catching you saw? Not seen. I'm not joking. Real. Yesterday you came, no? Both came after lunch. Not coming, no? Both after you. Why? Full day. Full day eating. Then study at home. Okay. The another day also don't come. Study in hostel itself. Why coming here? What not providing? Oh, morning food, breakfast not providing. Breakfast and lunch. Okay, lunch. What problem? 1 day lunch won't take any problem. What problem? 1 day fasting leave. The stomach will get rest. Body will get rest. Body disease, why have more? Because only 24-hour eating. Hmm? Then you learn hereafter in home itself. Some days, then you will understand. Only taking rest. You are not coming, no? Yesterday, 2 days distance. We are coming from Australia, Tambaram. Already last week, 2 days, 3 days, everybody taken rest because of power, because Vinayaga Chaturthi and all. Huh? One day only. You are coming earlier. Yesterday only went. You are also yesterday. Vinayaga, huh? And Vinayaga Chaturthi and all came only. You are here? No, went. Then that only I am telling. Correctly, all maintenance want with study, not possible. How much you will do hard work, no? Time will decrease. So depend on your hard work. You want 6 months result? Possible. 1 year result? Possible. 2 year result? Possible. 3 years result? Also possible. No result? Also possible. Depend on your hard work. More 24 hour you are active. CSIR student I saw 6 months result gave. They are not intelligent. Don't think more intelligent, more hard work did qualify. No. In our history of KMS tell or in history of my teaching, from our institute, 99% result happened. All are average students, all are dull students. They proved we can do everything by our hard work. They proved. Some students I saw, good students have, intelligent students have. So some good student I saw, they're more ahankar showing. Ahankar means proud. I'm telling no in Tamil, I don't know what is that. Huh? More ahankar. I am the father of mathematician, everybody. I am the father of Ramanujan. So they are no going down. Which day your ahankar will start, no? That day your decreasement will start. Increasement not possible. Any type of matters. If you are a good student, no, and you are very no ahankar, very zero ahankar is proud is zero. Very polite, very good students. Then you will get success only success. Just if you are a good students, you are intelligent students, just you have that extra activity by God understanding. So that is tell thanks to God and hard work. Without hard work, nobody can get results, success. Either dull, average, or intelligent students. And I saw whatever some student I got one or two students intelligent, they are showing more ahankar and without result going from here. And whoever dull students never expected result also possible. They did too much hard work and they qualified and went. And with good ranks. Never expect means just you think donkey type students less than donkey students they qualified and they got IITs, they got CSR with good ranks and went. I am not doing anything. They did by proved we can do everything. But hard work need. Active means too much active one. You know, for IIT, CSR is very tough exam, very tough. So how much you are active, that much soon result will happen. 6 months result, 1 year result, 2 year result. This is depend on student. Sometimes student capacity also is important. They can't do that much hard work also, but they are not. I'm not saying they are deactivated. They are activated, but they can't do that much hard work. But active is there. First, you have to become active. Everybody, I am telling. That is first important. How much you are telling? No, I don't know what I will tell. Greediness. How much you are greedy for your result? Hmm? Means want. Either I will die also, no problem. Tomorrow I am going to die. Today my result will happen. That type situation. So I am telling you, come and read here for you, not for me. You come, don't come, result give, don't give, our institute correctly will run. Will run only. Our institute running without result before also. We are not dependent on result. We are working honestly. This I know. Cheating, I am not doing. My life is still 0% also not. I got cheat 100%, no problem. But I am not learning from them and I am not cheating anybody. 100% I am trying to give everything. Extra I am trying to give. Maybe after 2 years will come, after 5 years will come, after 6 years will come. What I don't know correctly, I am telling also I don't know this and all. But cheating 0%. So you will qualify or don't qualify. For me, no loss. But I want everybody settled good because no, this world is very bad. And world peoples are very bad. 99% peoples are ready for cheating to you. They want to damage your life and want to increase. Like that peoples are there. So how you will stand? If you have no quality, if you don't know how to fight, how? So first, come more active. No, I will do. In home also possibility have that you can sit and can read and result can give. In home also. But that and all I am seeing very rare. Online class I am giving. Online, I will tell just 1% success have, 1 to 2% success have in result. I am not seeing after that result. By online can tell this corona time started. I think last 4 years, 20 came, no corona. 19 March 2020. Hmm? So from 20, just you think 24. I think more than 100 students I taken admission online. And everybody I stopped, don't take admission. But no, they don't want online. In that only 1 or 2 result happened online. And I saw that 2 results are too much active. 24-hour question asking in class itself. They want to meet online, doubt discussion, everything. And they qualified 6 months. 6 months I saw just class taken and full 6 months, 3 months, 4 months course completed. Next 2 months, they are not giving me rest. Sir, I want this, sir, I want that every time. Can tell every day meeting with them. They gave result. Now this time, one student is going to qualify. Is online students. Before 2 years taken admission and 2 years continuously class taken, 2 years continuously test series, 2 years continuously asking doubts, question, everything. And this time she is going to qualify. But their batch, other students, I don't know who is online or not online. They are not active. So result is depend on you. If you will qualify result, no, this 100% credit going your hard work, not me. I am nothing doing with for your result. I am showing you path, this path you have to walk. You have to walk. I am not going to walk. I walk, enjoyed, and I came back. So I know that walk, how much tough. I know in that walk, walk, how much different problems are there. So I am giving attention to you. This place going to fall down. So before if you will listen means you won't fall down. Won't listen means you have to fall down only. Hmm? Everybody actively your result in your hand. And if anybody thinking no I can't qualify this exam, very tough exam, you are the wrong thinking. Everybody can qualify. 0% knowledge have, negative knowledge have. I told a donkey type knowledge also have means you can qualify. Maybe before 14 years, 15 years, I was thinking that everybody can't qualify this exam. But no, last 14 years, myself I am giving preparation and experience I got that everybody can qualify. Everybody. One type of rumor is there in our country or in our college or university by other teachers, by other students that everybody can't qualify this exam and all. Rumors. But I got experience, everybody can qualify. Everybody. Because I got like that students, they qualified only. They qualified. I'm telling. They are my students. They got IITs. Impossible. IITs is impossible for them. They can't see in dream also in IIT, but they went IIT. So result 100% credit will go for you only. You are the reason for your result, not I am. But that type hard work want full 100% actively if you want result. Now you think maximum 10-15 days our class over. 2 months have. December last exam will happen. This 2 months no 24-hour read. 24-hour read. If December result want then. If you are planning have next June, also 24-hour read. This December qualify is good, not qualify is June 100% if you will qualify. But 24-hour have to read. Means 24-hour read meaning rest have to forget. You have to sleep. 24-hour means 5 hours, 6 hours sleep. But every time have to run about exam only. More student I saw they have too much problems. They during our class they went for working also. And in on their working time also they are running in mind this exam only. And they qualified. Understanding without your activeness, without your hard work, result not possible. Don't think Sukumar sir result giving. No, I am not giving result. Result not guaranteed. Result only guarantee if you are ready for hard work. Dull student will think I can't qualify. Intelligent student will think without reading I can qualify. I am more intelligent. I am the father of Ramanujan. But both are not qualifying because they are not thinking that hard work need must. Yesterday test you wrote? Don't write. Yesterday test wrote everybody? No any problem, no? Linear algebra test yesterday? Okay, answer key and I will give. Read. More read. Don't absent. I need to take rest one day, no problem. If you are feeling no one day already I taken rest, gap went, I will go. You are here only, no Taramani. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour. Go and come. That day you went, no? Last Sunday. I told don't go, she went lunch taken and came. No problem. I'm not stopping. Go and come. But don't disconnect from here. This place will give more high level result. Not because of me or not because of KMS, because of your contacts. You are seeing now how many students have. Everybody together will read, no? You can break everything. Whatever you are discussing together, no? Everybody will get profit. Everybody. And this competitive exam, every competitive exam I saw, CSIR, NET, GATE is very, can tell as a research, these are tough exam. But compared to this, very, very tough exams are there. You will go general competition, UPSC, SSC, banks, railway, too much tough exam compared to this. Too much. In this, you have to read maths. In there, you have to read history, civics, geography, number theories, maths, 10 class, 11 class maths, and practice. There have 500 questions in one set. And 3 hours you have to write solutions, 500 questions. And too much competitions are there. Too much. Here, in your CSIR, you can see in our class maximum 20 students are sitting online, offline. On SSC, UPSC, you will go, no? 20,000 students are sitting in one batch. Lakhs and lakhs, 10 lakhs students are writing exam. In that competition happening. How you will qualify if this type condition means? In your all India, how many students will write exam? You know, IIT jam maximum 15,000. Yeah, maximum 15. Means maybe this time 20 will go. 20,000 students competition is nothing. This is not a competition. When 10 lakh students will write IIT JAM exam, then that is the competition. Still in a country, our country students are sleeping. Still, they don't know IIT JAM. They don't know. They don't want to know. They don't know. Why don't know? You know tomorrow what movie going to launch. You don't know IIT JAM, but movie Amir Khan movie what will come, Surya movie what will come, you know. But you don't know IIT JAM. You will tell, sir, I don't know. Why don't know? Because you have no interest. You you crossed your all BSc, MSc by enjoy and degree collection. When you got problems, then you are thinking here after any competition. Before not thinking. Before not thinking. In our country, I think more students are there BSc, MSc, more. Can tell that minimum can tell every year 2 lakh, 3 lakh BSc students will come. Every year full India, I am telling. Maybe suppose just in Tamil Nadu, maybe 100 colleges are there or 1000 colleges are there. In the 2026 also means in Tamil Nadu BSc student maybe 30, 40,000 are there. You think in our country 28, 30 states are there. So minimum going 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh students every year. And all are sleeping. 15,000 students are writing IIT JAM exam. 15,000. What will happen this competition? 15 lakh writing means that is called a competition. So you are lucky that 15,000 have. I think next 10 years and all possibility have 1 lakh students will write. 10 years also 1 lakh only I am telling, not 15 lakh. And in this 15,000 exam, you think paper is how much tough? Suppose which day 1 lakh students will write exam, think paper how much going to become tough. I am expecting no next 5 years or maximum 5 years after that any action they will take. The CSIR must will take. Maybe they are going to become again subjective objective exam, means pre-mains like that exam they will take again. Because in CSR 60,000 students are writing exam. Yearly can tell 60,000 maths, only maths, physics, chemistry, maths, everything you will see means there are 3 lakh, 4 lakh exams are writing every 6 months. So next 5 years CSR must will take any action. Again, they will become pre-mains like this. And IIT JAM must minimum 10 years. Maybe 5 years also, 10 years maximum must. Read more. Competition exam is not our anybody relation sitting there. That without reading, result will happen. And day by day, more developments happening. After 10 years, our country will be different. If we have normal education, no, then we have to struggle only. After now also you can see that from normal college, university, VIT, SRM or other private universities, PhD they are completing, and for teacher job they are applying. Before some years we saw no 3-4 years. One government school peon have no peon, security guard came vacancy. For that also PhD students applied. You know this? That type situation have. Pondicherry University PhD students wrote exam in Chennai for that government job. So don't think that you are taking more high good education. No, our education is very low level education. At least if you are now going IITs and all, or CSR students, MSc students, CSR and all have, means just you think next 10 years you are safe. You are safe your life. If you have normal MSc, PhD, no, your life is not safe whole year, whole life. No safe. You are not in safe zone. At least you MSc, BSc students will go IIT, you will complete MSc and all, PhD and all, no. Your generation life settlement. Oh, what telling? Read this and all. Hmm? So at least you will go IIT and all, then your generation life settlement will go. Your coming generation not. Because after 10 years, 20 years, no, our country is more high level development going to happen. Further, more high level education want, and only from high levels universities. Understanding? Read everybody, huh? Don't absent. One day take rest. No 5, 6 days, 7 days, no week. One day rest, 6 days no rest. Huh? Where we are there that time, and that homework and all finish. She completed. No, you complete. Finish this and all. And this and all will ask on interviews. They will ask that how much Z6 to Z8, 1 on 2 or 1 homomorphism tell. Example. What you will tell? Okay. IIT must will ask. Okay, we will see next, huh? Z4 to, sorry, Z8 to Z4 cross Z6. Total group homomorphism. So how to solve this is short trick later we will see. First subjective solution means how to solve. Whenever our external direct product will be in codomain, then we will go by common order elements. But when this means external direct product in domain, then common order we want to go. Common order we will go separate. Suppose Z4 plus Z6 to Z8 have, then Z4 to Z8 separate have to find, Z6 to Z8 separate have to find. Okay, that time common order is not success. Exactly answer not coming. That I will do next. First Z8 to Z4 plus Z6. So in Z8, D order element 1, 2, 4, 8. In Z4 cross Z6, D order. Here LCM no 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 4 minimum will come. Here 1, 2, 4, 6 will be the LCM, 12 will be the LCM. 3 also will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now I was thinking, no, another anything I will take because only 3 common element will come. 1, 2, 4. So I was thinking, okay, no problem, leave it. So common order element, what will happen? Common D order elements. 1 order, 2 order, 4 order. Only 3 orders are there. So whatever order D order elements common we are getting, this total D order element we will find on the codomain. Total 1 order elements in Z4 cross Z6. 1 order means 1 only. Total 2 order elements we will see. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Total 2 order 3. Next 4 order. This only will happen. So total group homomorphism from Z8 to Z4 cross Z6 is just addition to 4 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, and our short concept will be GCD of 8 comma 4 into GCD of 8 comma 6. Okay, right. whenever notes revision doing, no, that time this function and I'll try to find. Here function will be x comma y, you have to define function. F of x maps to x to x means just z4 to z6 have, no. So our function, possible functions are 0x means 0 0 0 for first function, 0x 0 2x 0 3x 0 4x 0 5x. Another function x 0 x x x 2x x 3x is just, you think here 4 elements, here 6 elements. So all 4 elements with 6 elements arrangement will happen. I think 24 functions like this possibilities are there. So just you can try for knowledge. Nobody will ask function. Randomly may can ask on interviews. Still question I am not saying. Maybe they will ask f of x is equal to 2x comma 5x. Is group homomorphism or not? Like this. Because here coming total 8 functions are group homomorphism. Z4 cross Z6 to Z8 if you will go. So here that much difference won't come because both are distinct group have. So I told just now, if our external direct product is in domain, then common order element is not a success solution. Sometime correct will come. I think here correct will come because here groups are distinct have. So here GCD will be same only. So whenever external direct product have in domain, then I told first you find total group homomorphism from separate have to do Z4 to Z8 and total group homomorphism from Z6 to Z8. So now you can go subjective, means you can go subjective total. Otherwise our exam GCD you can apply competitive exam, whatever objective is there. So total group homomorphism Z4 cross Z6 to Z8 is 4 into 2, 8. So here I told this only that much difference you can't feel because both are distinct group. If repetition group means you can see that common order element is different and by this method is different. Okay. Suppose I will write total group homomorphism from Z4 cross Z4 to Z8. If you will find by common order element and if you will find separate, both are different, solution will come. Common order in element means just you think here 1 order, 2 order, 4 order, and here 1 order, 2 order, 4 order, and 8 order. So common order will be 1 order, 2 order, 4 order. So 1 order, 2 order, 4 order, total the order element we will find from codomain. So 1, 5 of 2, 5 of 4. So 5 of 2 is 1, 1, and 5 of 4 also 2. Means total 4. 4 group homomorphism will come by common order. But I told you have to go separate. Separate we will go means Z4 to Z at 4, Z4 to Z at 4. Is 4 into 4, 16. 16 group homomorphism coming. So whenever external direct product have in codomain, don't go by common order. That is not a 100% correct. So here we will find direct we will do hereafter because anyhow GCD multiplication only. So total group homomorphism just you write GCD of 4, 8 into GCD of 4, 8.
Excuse me, sir.
Sam.
Sir, the total number of group homomorphisms from Zm cross Zn to Zr cross Zs is?
Then again same I will do next. Wait, that also I will tell.
Okay.
Both side external product also I will tell.
Okay, sir.
Same GCD only will come, but before that subjective little bit I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. suppose here after Z8 cross Z10 is there, like this, both side external direct product. So same we will go mixing type. Means just now I told if once means domain is not a external direct product, then common order element we can go. Common order is a good concept for subjective. So what we will do when both side external direct product we will see, that time separate we will go. This domain you keep single, means this to this total group homomorphism, again this to this total group homomorphism. Means Z4 to Z8 cross Z10 by common order element we will find, and Z6 to again Z8 cross Z10 common order we will find. So anyhow this method we are going to apply. Okay, so we will go by GCD only, but subjective exam means you do like this. If you can keep this side also, means complete, means you can go otherwise. This second concept means you can go full this to this, again full this to this. Understanding? Means Z4 cross Z6 to Z8. Again Z4 cross Z6 to Z10. Otherwise Z4 to Z8 cross Z10. And Z6 to Z8 cross Z10. Okay? So like that subjective anyone will follow and solution same will come. So total group homomorphism Z4 to Z8 cross Z10. So GCD 48 into GCD of 410. Again can tell Z6 to Z8 cross Z10. 6, this is Z8. 6 and 8 GCD into GCD of 6 and 10. 2, 2, 4. So finally total group homomorphism Z4 cross Z6 to Z8 cross Z10 is 8 cross 4, 32. Means finally all GCD multiplication. Okay. Zm cross Zs is equal to, sorry, from this to this Zn cross Zr. GCD Mn Mr into GCD of S cross S comma N into GCD of S comma R. All GCD multiplication. Right. Finished everybody? So Jordan groups homomorphisms are depend on GCD only. For hereafter, we will go our other groups, just like SN groups, SN to Jordan groups. But for that we need first isomorphism theorem. So we will find homomorphism by the help of first isomorphism theorem. First isomorphism theorem. Here in this theorem, not finding that function is group homomorphism or not. This function group homomorphism have. Then means if function between two group homomorphism have, then given by kernel is isomorphism with image of f. When function is a group homomorphism, then kernel will be a normal subgroup of domain. I gave, and range set is a subgroup of codomain. So when kernel is a normal normal subgroup of domain, then constant group will exist. So given by kernel is isomorphism with image of means range set of f. Means can tell between these two groups another one function existing. That function is 1,1,2 homomorphism. Correct? That only isomorphism, 1,1,2 homomorphism. But still, this isomorphism concept I am not giving by 1,1,2 homomorphism. By that three definition, three methods. By that only here we will find homomorphism, isomorphism concept. But when this function is onto homomorphism, then this image is equal to codomain. So onto homomorphism means direct G2 will come. Means This theorem we will use in finding group homomorphism. We will see that which normal subgroup, by the help of which normal subgroup this isomorphism exists have, then we will follow that group homomorphism function will exist. How many will exist? That short concept later I will give. That is not from here. So next our target, this existence need. For which normal subgroup? First we will find a normal subgroup of domain. So for which normal subgroup this isomorphism concepts will come. For that normal subgroup function group homomorphism possible. How many possible? We will see by D order element. That is just one trick type can tell. Okay. And whenever you will see your range set direct codomain coming, in that case you can tell by this group homomorphism this function will be on to also. That is the meaning. Okay. Right, first how to use this theorem I will show you. So here now in modern algebra especially, any theorem, any place we will apply, so exactly total group homomorphism will come not like that. This theorem if you will apply in Zm group, Zm to Zn, exactly everything won't come. Suppose Z4 to Z8, total group homomorphism is 4. If you will apply, maybe 4 will come or less than 4 will come. So, but this is not meaning that whatever this theorem telling that only exactly, not like that. Because Zm group I gave GCD concept. And I applied already this theorem in Zn group and all. Exactly sometime coming, sometime not coming. And other groups also I saw this theorem I am applying. Some places exactly coming, some places exactly not coming. But this theorem where exactly will give, that and all we will discuss. Not every places. And I told already here in modern algebra group changing means whatever I am giving 99% guarantee from there will come. If anything different came, then you have to take decision on the spot. Either go by theorems, K means okay, otherwise go by function. You have to think function and have to find. That much stuff is still not coming. Very different group is still they are not asking. So no need to worry, but I am giving just thing attention carefully. Because this they also know that this is not possible to find all group homomorphism by function. So they won't give. Maybe on interviews and all they will ask, PhDs they will ask then you don't tell by this theorem whatever coming that only exactly, not like that. Whatever giving that, whatever I will give, that is for interviews also exactly correct. But different group, suppose I am not giving that group and different group they asked. So you can tell this theorem we can apply and we can get maybe more than also possible. Homomorphism or maybe exactly. Okay. Because I saw changes and I did more functions, more groups, but that and all I can't discuss here. If I will start for discussion, this will go from morning to evening. It's just you can think, I'm telling no, you do, that type I did. You have to sit and have to think this function, group homomorphism, function full have to discussion. And that and all is still not asking any question. So you can discuss yourself or with friends for your knowledge. Okay. But you will see changes that by this theorem maybe 5 coming group homomorphism, but when you will solve by function, more than 5 coming. But whatever I will give by this theorem, that is correct only and exactly will come. Because generalization I will give. And every places that is satisfying. S3 to Z6 we will see. So hereafter we will apply first theorem, first isomorphism theorem. So first isomorphism theorem, if we are going to apply, for this we need normal subgroups. First isomorphism is not finding total group homomorphism. No, that is group homomorphism have, then a normal subgroup means given by normal subgroup, isomorphism is subgroup of means image of a range set. So we have to go by normal subgroup and we have to see this isomorphism existing for which normal subgroup. Okay. So we need normal subgroup of domain. So I will write all normal subgroup. Identity A3 and S3. So here by 3 cases we can find group homomorphism. First case. If kernel of F is identity. If kernel is always normal subgroup of group domain, means whatever, yeah, domain only. So whatever normal subgroup have possible kernel, that is. So by first isomorphism theorem, G1 means S3 by kernel. So here S3 by kernel is identity. We need S3 by kernel is isomorphism with image of codomain. So when isomorphism groups we are going to find, 2 groups are isomorphism. This meaning cardinality same, D order element will be same, and cyclic or non-cyclic or abelian, non-abelian we have to see. So S3 by identity, what is the S3 by identity cardinality? Cardinality no need to go, leave it. Direct here we can go. S3 by identity meaning S3 itself. So S3 means 6 order. So 6 order subgroup in codomain, who is Z6 itself. Can I write this is isomorphism with Z6? Can I write? No. No. Huh? Yes, don't tell. Because this is non-abelian, no? order this is. 6 order subgroup we need here Z6. But how S3 by identity is isomorphism with Z6? Not possible. Not possible. So this case fell. This meaning if any function is a group homomorphism, that function kernel is identity not possible. That is the meaning. Okay. So this case fell. Case 2. Understanding what I told? If any function is a group homomorphism you are getting, that function kernel, if we will find that kernel, this is not possible. Okay. Case 2. If kernel is A3. So S3 by A3 we will go. S3 by A3 cardinality is 2. This is a 2. This meaning we need 2 order subgroup. 2 order subgroup in Z6 in codomain 1 3 0 3. Taking rest means every time this type doing 0 3. Hereafter we have to think this isomorphism correct or not. If correct, then by this case group homomorphism we will get. Okay. So you can tell hereafter this is correct isomorphism. Here we told not correct. This is correct or not? Because already we discussed constant group. Something you are telling. How? Thinking. Oh, thinking means correct cam. Then think next. How answer? Think.
Sir, it is correct, sir.
It is correct. Yeah, Sam correct. Sam, you can explain this is correct how?
Sir, because it's a 2-order subgroup, and 2-order subgroups are always
Yeah,
abelian.
100% correct. Last class in constant group I gave generalization also, no? Sn by An is isomorphism with Z2 direct 2-order cyclic subgroup, cyclic group. And S3 by A3 is a 2-order and 2-order cyclic group. Z2 will come and Z2 is the 2-order subgroup. This is both are isomorphism. You want here can write Z2 itself. We need subgroup of this, so I wrote this is. If you want, you can write this is Z2. So 100% correct. And when this is correct, then total group homomorphism hereafter. By this case, not final, total group homomorphism S3 to Z6, otherwise this not right now, is equal. By this case I am writing. So this total group homomorphism we will go by D order element. This is 2-order subgroup. So 2-order element, total 2-order element. Which order subgroup we are writing here group homomorphism success, this isomorphism success. That D order element we will count total group homomorphism by that case. So total group homomorphism by this case, total 2-order elements where total 2-order elements where domain or codomain? Codomain. Because the range set we are going to get. So phi of 2, 1. Understanding? What is the meaning of this? This meaning our any function I am not giving. By this case we got this isomorphism is correct. This meaning any function have that function is a group homomorphism function and that function is kernel is A3. This meaning kernel elements maps to identity. Understood? This is the kernel meaning. Kernel is A3, no? This meaning identity 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2 maps to 0. Identity elements. Okay? And remaining 3 elements maps to, maps to, maps to. This 3. Understood? So if you will define function like that, you will get. And this is very good telling now collaborate. It's very good relation have with quotient group. Whatever you will get quotient element, no, you will get this only. Whenever you are free, revision doing, no, this try to find. First S3 by A3 element, you check it. That elements, 2 elements will come. Okay? So this is just explanation like that I am giving. Next case 3. So by this case we got total group homomorphism only one. Means only one function possible here. Case 3 if kernel is itself. Itself means no problem. Itself always will exist because one order. S3 by A3. S3. One order subgroup is identity only. What is the meaning of this? Every element maps to 0, 0, 0. If you will go by maps, this is there exists a function that is the group homomorphism. Identity 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, everything 6 element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All maps to 0. Means one function will exist. Here all 6 elements maps to 0, 0, 0. Okay. So by this case also passed. So by this case, total group homomorphism. Only one order element. Total group homomorphism. Total one order elements in codomain. Only one. So finally, total group homomorphism from S3 to Z6 is equal to 1 plus 1. Total 2 function will be group homomorphism and one function kernel will be A3, another one function kernel will be S3. Okay? Right. Whenever first isomorphism theorem applying, this D order element we will count total group homomorphism. Okay? Right. This I told, collaboration with quotient group, coset. When you will find S3 by A3, A3 is the normal subgroup, no? You will see 1, 2, A3, 1, 3, A3, 2, 3, A3 are equal. Only 2 cosets will be there when A3. Otherwise, you go D3, you did, D3 case, you check it that C3 means D3 by C3. That rotations, collection of rotations. When you did cosets, then only 2 cosets will be there. One identity means R0 D3 and another one will come R1 D3, R2 D3 and R3 D3 all are equal. So same here, I A3, 1, 2, 3 A3, 1, 3, 2 A3, all are same cosets. So one coset. Distinct coset, another one coset will be 1, 2 A3, 1, 3 A3, 2, 3 A3, all are equal. So these all are maps to this 3, 3, 3. So this very good concept have with cosets. Right. Finished means everybody try S3 to Z7 and tell me total group homomorphism. Finished. How many? Only one. Correct. All case will fail. Last case pass. Can do or I will do. Check always. As 4 you can do or I will do. Suppose I am giving as 4 to Z8. You will do or I will do? You will do? You do, otherwise I will do. Here direct by writing S3 by A3 not isomorphism is 0, comma 3. First here two order element will exist. No, then two order subgroup not possible here. Okay, here which order subgroup have only one order, 7 order. Then this type don't write. You can write here after this that two order subgroup does not exist in Z7. Whatever have that right. Copy don't do. What? Everybody correctly came. No previous. Z, what is that? Z3 to Z7. Sorry, S3 to Z7. Correctly explanation give. You are understanding. I am also understanding. Later you will answer how. Direct not exist writing. Here you have to write that two order subgroup does not exist in codomain. So case fail. What is this? Previous. As per started. This show me one time. Case 2. Okay, two order elements, okay, but don't write two order elements, two order subgroup. Sometime, okay, Zn case no problem, but sometime what will happen? D order element not have, but D order subgroup is there. Yeah, so write two order subgroup does not. We need subgroup no. Later we need two order element. Here I have to write two order subgroup does not exist. So S3 by A3 is not isomorphism with. Miss that case fell. Hey, show me here. Wrong writing. Here, what is this? Z7 writing. Here, don't write J. Why not isomorphism with Z7? S3 by A3 means two order group we need, subgroup we need. So two order subgroup not have in Z7. So have to write S3 by A3 not isomorphism with any group. Not isomorphism with Z7, this type don't write. Here you write S3 by A3 two order. You just can give notation image of F. Your previous question S3 to Z7. Everybody like this, right? S3 by A3 is not isomorphism with image of F. What is image? Image means two order subgroup here. Here we can write because two order subgroup, right? Element don't write. Subgroup does not exist in Z7. So finally this case fell. Proper explanation do. Otherwise revision time head rotation will come yourself. Wait, one time I will write also. S3 to Z7, no. Here what is this case? First kernel identity. Here also not isomorphism with image of F. Case fell. Case third only will be pass. So total group homomorphism S3 to Z7 is only 1. Next I told S4 to Z8. So S4 means one normal subgroup will increase, no? K4. A4, K4, S4. Here 4 cases will come. Same case first, kernel identity, so S3. Here also S3, because this is abelian, so isomorphism not possible. Same you write, isomorphism not possible, case fail. 1 minute, this is S4, no? Wait. S4 means same only, no problem. Here 6 won't come, S4 means going 24. Then can write 24 order, the not possible or anything, no problem. Greatest going on. Case 2, K4, A4. So S4 by A4. So S4 by A4, 2 order only. So 2 order subgroup. In Z8, 0, 4. So must this case pass. So S4 by A4 isomorphism with 2 order subgroup 0, 4. Case pass. Total group homomorphism. Total 2 order elements. In Z8. Next case third. Kernel is K4. So S4 by K4, cardinality what will come? 6. So S4 by K4, 6 order subgroup in Z8? No. Why? For subgroup D order element don't go. Another reason give. What you told? Eh? What, Deepak, what happened? Huh? Non-abelian, correct. Then who? What is this? Non-abelian means what is this? Who? What is this non-abelian? How you are telling this is non-abelian? S4 by K4 already we saw. This is isomorphism with D3. 6 order non-abelian group. And non-abelian subgroup not possible here. Also 6 order subgroup not here. Z8 means 1 order, 2 order, 4 order, 8 order. No 6 order subgroup. Okay. So two reason you can give that this is the non-abelian group. So 6 order non-abelian subgroup not possible in Z8. Or can write in Z8 6 order subgroup not possible in Z8. So this case fell. So this meaning by this case we are not getting any total group homomorphism. Last case automatic will come only one identity. Your mother. No problem, ma. Go. This and all I have to think. Good lunch can be will eat together. Huh? Put in office room. Okay. So case first fail, case 2 pass, case third fail, case 4 this is. Okay. Then total 2 only, 1 and 1. Okay. As for to Z8, total 2 group homomorphism. This 2 function will be group homomorphism. In that kernel will be A4 and kernel will be S4. Right. Any understood? Any problem? Okay. Finished. Wow. Very good. Here YZ7, this Z8 here. S4. If I properly write here and there, I am not writing. Finish everybody. One time try S4 to Z9. S4 to Z9 try. Try S4 to Z9 everybody. Finished? How many coming? Only one coming. One coming. This also fail. Okay. Understood? No problem? Sometime another place. So total group homomorphism from okay. Every time you will see like this. N greater than equal to 3. Whenever this is odd, 1, even 2. Okay, right. When 2, then what is the kernel for both function? An and itself. In this case, kernel only Sn. This keep in mind. Here kernel will be An and Sn, and here kernel will be Sn. Finished? Understood? Here two functions, so two notation I am giving, f and g. Okay. Hereafter we will go when our domain and codomain equal, and then group homomorphism we will find. But before that we will see. Now I will write hereafter isomorphism definition, and now we are going to read domain codomain equal. For that we need automorphism. When our groups are means domain codomain same and function and one onto homomorphism, this isomorphism function is called a automorphism. Okay. Write everybody first. So isomorphism means one onto homomorphism, either distinct group or domain codomain equal, same group. That is called a isomorphism. And isomorphism notation is this: when two groups are same, have then equal to also can write. That time no need to give this notation. But when two groups are same and isomorphism function means one onto homomorphism between same groups, that is called a automorphism. Okay, denoted by automorphism. And on that same group, more automorphism function possibility. So we can collect and we can make groups. So the collection of all automorphism maps on G star is called a group and denoted by this. And this is the normal definition. Okay. This work, this definition only I am not giving that time, but we did two groups are isomorphism by the help of three property. Okay. And because every time one onto we can't find, every time homomorphism we can't find. But from here more question coming. Okay, they can ask anything, that suppose that they will ask K4 is isomorphism with D4 or not. They will ask with you between them one onto function existing or not, between them one onto homomorphism existing or not, between them isomorphism existing or not. So we can't think maybe function. So we can go over by three property. Both are isomorphism. Kirtana tell. Kirtana. Soluma. Both are isomorphism. Your mic is silent. Keep. Notification you are giving silently. She will listen. No, you are giving very slightly. Will listen. Maybe she. You tell. K4 D4 isomorphism. No. Why? Reason? Why no? What is the reason? Eh? 8 order element. Where does not exist? Where 8 order you need? Why 8 order you need direct? 8 order element not have, in K4 also not have, in D4 also not have. So 8 order why giving explanation? In K4 leave it. In D4, which order element existing? Hmm? 2 order, 1 order, 4 order. That's it. In K4, K4 remember have? No. Why? Why not remember have? Before some days I saw that you and all group theory here reading, no? You told which day that is? Thursday. That day no class or after lunch? No class. That day she came here? Why? No, you are giving reasons, so I thought this also you will give. You tell why not came that day? They had discussed this modern algebra that day. Morning discussion did or after lunch? After lunch. Why not came after lunch? That day you told lunch, maybe not taking or. Lunch, either take from home, otherwise take outside, otherwise don't eat. One day we won't eat food means we won't die. We will die. Weekly once, no, I am not eating food. You know this? Don't know? Then no, hereafter. You know why I am not eating? Because I want to give rest to my body. Really, I am telling. I am not eating, full fasting. And I am making habit that without food, how people are living. Some people have in this world. They are not getting food. but they are reading. They are getting how education. So how they are living? I'm taking training myself. One day you take training, what problem? Because of lunch today, K4 can't tell. You know this? If that day you will be here, miss, maybe K4 discussion did? Not did. Z2 cross Z2 you did? Then Z2 cross Z2 did miss K4, she can tell, not today. So because of lunch today you can't tell. I won't leave you. My nature are very bad. Till your increment, no, I won't leave you. So increment too, otherwise take any decision. Not reading anything. I'm learning in home. What learning in home? K4 is isomorphism with Z2 cross Z2. Remember have? This also remember not have. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Correct? Only two order element will contain and one order element will contain. Correct? But here one order, two order, four order. Here four order not existing. So this is the one reason this is not isomorphism. Another reason? Eh? Very good. K4 is abelian group and D4 is non-abelian group. Hmm? This reason why second time coming, first time why not coming? Any notification got? Eh? By this you told, very good. Miss this, by this you catched it, correct? Good. Okay. So like that, they can ask K4 or any two groups are isomorphism. Don't go by this theorem definition. Just you go by three properties enough. So hereafter, we will find total group homomorphism when our domain codomain will be equal. But before that, little bit we will discuss especially for automorphism. Then we will come on group homomorphism. During group homomorphism also we will get automorphism. So how to get we will see. But we will discuss little bit first only automorphism. Total 1 on to homomorphism. Already we discussed Z and case. Domain codomain equal. Total 1 on to homomorphism. ZM to ZM. How much I give? Z6 to Z6 total 1 on to homomorphism. 6. 5 of 6. Z6 to Z6 total group homomorphism is 6. 1 on to homomorphism 5 of 6. I told that relatively means x and 5x. Relatively prime element multiple with x are 1 on to homomorphism. When domain codomain will be equal. And when domain codomain equal and 1 on to homomorphism, that only automorphism, no? Hmm? Just you think automorphism of Z6. This meaning collection of function, that function Z6 to Z6 1 on to homomorphism or isomorphism also we can write. correct? And automorphism of Z6, that day we discussed x and 5x will come. So two functions are there for 1 1 on 2 homomorphism. Okay. So this meaning automorphism of Z6 cardinality is phi of 6 relatively prime element. And we will proceed this permanent. Zn to Zn, I gave also generalization. Zn to Zn total 1 1 on 2 homomorphism is phi of n, and all relatively prime element with x are group homomorphism. 1 1 on 2 homomorphism. So we can write here after automorphism of Zn. One time I am repetition doing. So automorphism of Zn, what will happen finally? What function I will give notation here? Ax. Ax will be function where a and n is a relatively prime element. Okay. So finally, automorphism of Zn cardinality phi of n. Finally, automorphism of Zn, and just now I told automorphism of Zn means automorphism group collection also will be a group. That is abelian, cyclic, anything possibility. So can you tell that automorphism of Zn is isomorphism with which group? Yeah, very good. UN group tell. For all n belongs to natural number. Because here elements are UN element only will come. Correct? What is U of 6? 1 and 5 only, no? I can write this is isomorphism with U6. So automorphism of Z6, whenever you will see no relatively prime elements are there, direct you go UN group. Direct. Okay? Right. Finished? Can you tell that automorphism of Z means total 1 1 on 2 homomorphism function on Z? Can you tell function? Homomorphism, leave it. How many functions or which functions are 1 1 on 2 function on Z to Z? X. Another? Tell. One. Anything tell? X square, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. You will tell? One tell. Saloma. X belongs to AX. Calcula. Fx is equal to X. X only. I am thinking like that. Okay.
So fx is equal to nx, where n is
Fx is equal to X. Another anything?
fx is equal to nx, where n is a natural number.
Mx. Means 2x, 3x, 4x.
Yes, sir.
I am asking 1 1 on 2. 2x how will come on 2? Fx is equal to minus x. Correct.
Sir,
So here,
so only two isomorphism.
only two function will be 1 1 on 2 homomorphism, x and minus x. Together they told. X and minus, when x telling minus x automatic will come. When minus x telling x automatic will come. Both tell. Why half telling? Only two function will come 1 1 on 2 between them, x and minus x. And both will be homomorphism also. Okay. So automorphism of Z will be x and minus x. And automorphism of Z cardinality is 2. So automorphism of Z is a cyclic group. Isomorphism with Z2. If this is a cyclic, then what is the generator? Minus x. Confirm? How? Order to how? Very good explanation giving. That explanation don't want. Give explanation in function form, not modern algebra form. Explanation is correct, but function form I want explanation. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, now correct. Huh? Correct. Just composite function type we will find. Suppose this is f and this is g. Suppose I wrote here direct by the help of group. Suppose I want to verify this is group or not. What is identity element, everything. So we will go by Kelly table. So Kelly table we will go means we have to explain about everything. So we have to find f of x. F of x is equal to x. Again f of x is equal to x. Next fog. Just you think fog means x is x. Next fog we will find fog x. G of x is minus x. F of x is x. So f of minus x will be minus x. So x and minus x operation is minus x. Next we will do GOF. F of x is x, g of x is minus x. So minus x and x operation is minus x. Next we will do GOG x. G of x is minus x. Again g of x is minus x. So minus of minus x, x. So here minus x operation is x. So by this operation itself you can see x will be the identity. X coming, x and minus x operation minus x coming. So x will be the identity. So here we will go f of x is equal to x is identity element. In automorphism of Z. And GOG means G square identity coming. So minus x is a two order element. G of x cardinality minus x cardinality is 2. So minus x is a generator. Here we can write, here write otherwise. Automorphism of Z minus x generator. So this is the cyclic. Okay. Is the cyclic group of order 2. So this is isomorphism with Z2. Okay, right. Finished. Any problem? Any problem? Confusion? What? Huh? Row means uh, uh. Yeah. Order of element definition, check it. Both same notation have I gave. See, there have. That is no problem. Notation, order, O right, cardinality sign give, no problem. Order, standard student, no, you are. For that, like that, you are getting confusion. Here, function is element. Here, this function is element of group. Just name F and G. Order of element means power identity. Order of group means total number of elements. So, both sign you can use. This and all confusion, doubts. One point I will give everybody. Very big doubts. Next, any doubts another? How many times I use that notation for order of elements? Oh, this is function, no, so further doubts. Baap re baap. Okay. We will do hereafter group homomorphism we will find. And you know this automorphism only disturbing for finding group homomorphism. Disturbing means for S3 no problem, Sn group no problem, Dn group and all problem. This automorphism of D3, D4 also okay. D5 and all more increasing and we can't go by generalization. No generalization, just you think. Means total D5 to D5 group homomorphism, if you want, no generalization, just have to work out. Means D5 to D5 maybe 10 came, D6 to D6 12 coming, D7 to D7 20 will come. Means generalization we can't make like this. Some books I saw some generalization giving, but that is not correct. Fail. So I am not giving. Okay. So whatever available have with exactly concepts I am giving. Okay. S3 to S3 total group homomorphism we will see. Okay. So we are going to find group homomorphism. by the help of group homomorphism, automorphism also we will get automatic. And automorphism always we will get by case first. Always, for every group. Case first means when our kernel is identity. Now we are going by first isomorphism theorem. So kernel we need, kernel means normal subgroup we need. If kernel is identity, so S3 by identity is isomorphism with S3 only, and our sixth order subgroup in codomain is S3 itself. So S3 by identity is isomorphism with S3 itself. So image subgroup also we are getting. So case pass. Okay. But sixth order element have, we went by D order element, correct? Sixth order element have here? No. But you can't tell that case tell. No. This problem you will face when domain codomain equal. And every group talking different. Here what we will do, first I want to tell another one thing. When domain codomain equal have, and we are getting this case pass, what is the image? Codomain itself coming. When codomain will come, that is called onto homomorphism. So this only I told. And when domain codomain equal, that time 1 1 onto homomorphism tell, 1 1 homomorphism tell, onto homomorphism tell, everything same. Okay. When domain codomain equal have, 1 1 tell automatic onto will happen, onto tell automatic 1 1 will happen. Neither 1 1 then nor onto. Not onto then not 1 1. Okay. So whenever domain codomain equal have, always you will see every group, this case first will give onto homomorphism. So this is called total group homomorphism as well as onto homomorphism as well as 1 1 homomorphism. Okay. So what we will do here, by this case first, total group homomorphism, or you tell total 1 1 onto homomorphism or automorphism of S3 total. Understanding what I am doing? Here 6th order element not have. Always we are going by 6th order element. Means D order element. Case pass, after the D order element we are counting D order. Total group homomorphism is total D order element. But here case pass, but D order element not have. Then what to do in this case? So more groups, you will see that whatever elements have, every element counting is group cardinality. Just you think automorphism of S3 means S3 to S3 total 1 1 onto homomorphism is S3 cardinality. Means S3 to S3, 6 function you will get homomorphism. That 6 function 1 1 onto property also will satisfy. And in this 6 function, kernel always identity will come. If you are in your mind running how, the no explanation is there, only have to go by function. And this only I am telling. S3, Sn group also exactly I can give, because I tried. And I saw every place is correct have, all books also properly following. Dn group no generalization, D3, D4 is okay. D5, no anything. Changes is there. And every time changes coming in case first. But minimum this much will happen for other groups. Because case first, every time you will see that isomorphism will come, but that D order element is not there. So minimum group cardinality itself, total group homomorphism will happen. Minimum. Increasement possibility have by other method. Other no method. Other, no any method. You have to go by only function. If fx is this, if fx is this, if fx is this. I did more different groups. This much paper came. Also, no generalization is there. When you will go quaternion group, K4 groups and all, very tough. Tough means calculating function. Solution is very easy. Means you have to give time. No generalization for K4 group, quaternion group, and not asking still. I tried myself and I got it, but I won't teach you. Because I tried that is function form. So you can try by function form, no problem. Understanding? So I am writing case first. Direct automorphism of S3 cardinality will be S3 cardinality. Okay? Case 2. Hereafter problem won't come. Case 2, same D order element and all we will count. If kernel is A3, means S3 by A3, same condition, 2 order groups will be here. So 2 order subgroup is, what is this? S3. 2 order subgroup, what will happen? Identity 1, 2, identity 1, 3, identity 2, 3. All are isomorphism to each other. Okay. So total, so this case passed. So total group homomorphism by this case, total 2 order elements. Where here domain codomain equal have, so S3 itself. So total 2 order element is 3. This meaning, if we are going by mapping concept, and mapping concept again I am telling very good relations have with quotient, cossets. S3 to S3. So by this meaning, here you will see total 3 function will be there. All 3 function, kernel will be this. Means kernel, identity, identity, identity. 3 times repetition will happen. After that, what will happen? First function, all maps to this. Second function, all maps to this. Third function, all maps to this. Understanding? Just you think F1 function, this all maps to 1, 2. Again, second function, kernel is same, A3 only. F2 function, this all maps to this. This is just all maps to by F1, by F2, and by F3. Like this, meaning. Understanding? Okay, case third. So here case first pass, case second pass. Case third also will be pass only. Case third always will be pass because it's self kernel. Kernel is S3. So S3 by S3, 1 order. So direct identity means all are so only 1. By this case, total group homomorphism is total 1 order element. And I suffered more. For that I am telling. Very bad. You know, this in modern algebra, this function is very bad. Means only workout you do only. You will get tired, but no generalization. Won't come up. Every groups. Group change, concept change. And only this mapping now fully depend on cossets. Fully depend on cosset. How much cosset you will find? So total 1 order element is 1. So finally total group homomorphism S3 to Z, Z not S3. S3 to S3 is first case, that is the automorphism S3 cardinality. Case 2, how much giving? 3. 2 order element and 1 order element. Total 10 functions are total 10 functions are homomorphism. In that 6 functions satisfying 1, 1 on 2 also. Means out of 10, 4 function only homomorphism, neither 1, 1 nor on 2. In vector space also I told, when vector domain codomain will be equal or dimension will be equal, then only 1, 1 means on 2 both. Any one fail, both fail. Same in modern algebra. Group both are same, then one two possible, otherwise not possible. Okay, right. Finished. Hereafter, first class lunch date and some workout giving do. This case first direct group cardinality use for S4 to S4. Right after during lunch, finish and find this under. Total group homomorphism S4 to S4, D3 to D3, and D4 to D4. Wait, see first. After that, some know another just for practice. That is S3 to Z6 and all we did. Reverse also do. Z6 to S3. That is enough. Lunch time. Lunch take 10 minutes. After that, finish this and all. Okay. After lunch, we will meet here after.